3. No backing out on me. 2.
Let's get it.
1.
Yeah, I ain't sleeping lately. I ain't sleeping lately. Yes, I know that I'm the only person that can change me. Maybe that's...
What is up, guys? Joe1015 here with my friend Gary once again. Ding ding ding. Today we are going to eat a requested item. I think it was only requested by one person, but it was easy to get my hands on, and it sounded like a solid idea. So you know what, we're gonna do this. That item is octopus. Oh, it's dripping. Octopus. It's raw octopus, and we're But yeah, we are going to get this opened up, get it on the plate, and basically dive into this bad boy. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, we got them open. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at its head. Oh my god.
We gotta get a thumbnail. Get a thumbnail. These tentacles aren't really that sticky, are they? Because I don't want to choke.
Oh wow. I'm trying to get this on the snap though. Can we take a break?
We can get it on this snap. We got another one. Snapchat, dude.
I just
add him on Snapchat.
Gary_BANDO.
Gary Bando. Alright, so are we gonna get into this, or are we gonna eat our lovely friend?
Should we put it on bread?
No, we just gotta eat it. Choose your favorite leg.
No.
Oh my gosh. Ready?
Oh!
It's not that bad. 3. No backing out on me. 2.
Let's get it.
1. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad.
No.
It's not that bad.
Wow.
Wow. We got like a little break from all this throwing up, because I'm not gonna throw up eating this. Now it's a starfish.
It's not that bad.
It's just the texture and the sliminess and chewiness.
It's not that bad.
Swallow it. Because the suction cups get stuck on our throat. I don't want to be the one.
Yeah.
You swallowed it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. You want to go again?
Oh.
Mine just squirted. Right?
Oh. Americans.
Oh.
I just want to eat its head.
Eat its head.
Promise?
Make sure there's no like.
His brain needs to be in here.
Make sure there's no like vial sac in there.
Look.
Yeah, dude. After like a couple like bites, it's not that good.
It wasn't good from the start.
Is that why you didn't take another bite? I think so. Here, take a bite. Let's take a bite of its head.
Its head?
Yeah. Oh, look.
Bro, there's a fish in mine.
There's a fish in his.
Oh, it's from its food.
Oh my.
Bro, yeah, this isn't healthy to eat.
Look, bro, there's a fish in his.
There's its head right there.
Wow.
Look at its head. There's a minnow in my... Bro, it said cleaned.
Cleaned out and everything.
It's not. There's a fish. There's a minnow in my octopus. Literally, it's old food.
Hey, man, let's take a bite of the head. Come on.
Bro, that's not healthy. That's not supposed to be there.
It's a fish.
Bro.
You're eating an octopus, but you can't eat a fish?
Look. This is gonna make me sick.
Bro. Come on, man. Just eat its head.
Okay. I can't get mine.
Yeah, the head's bad. Bro, the head is not good. Red bit. Ah, let me see your bite. Look at my head compared to his. Honestly, y'all, this is not a game. Eat it.
What is it?
It's the head of an octopus. The head is bad. Yeah.
I did.
For real?
Yeah.
I didn't. Alright, say bye to the octopuses, man. Bye. Alright, guys, that is it for the video today. I'm sorry it's not like all the other videos where it's like, but I am sure you guys probably want a break. I'm sure you guys probably would like a break from seeing me gag, throw up and stuff, because I know that probably gets disgusting after a while.
Honestly, I do it the most.
Anyways, before he interrupted me,
Sorry.
Chaz.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment of what you think I should do next. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.
That stuff is disgusting.
Quiet! We got bubbles everywhere.